it's Gina. I want to thank the brand for sending this over to me to share with you all. You already know I love this brand. It's Wrinkles Labs. I've had their other types of eye patches before, so I was really excited when they said they wanted to send me the new green tea ones to test out for you guys. So let me show you again. This is the Wrinkles Lab green tea under eye patches, and you get 60 pads in the jar, so that's a total of 30 pairs. They are matcha-inspired gel patches made with hydrolized collagen. And I feel like they're just a nice self-care item, a nice step when your eyes in the morning or even in the evenings look tired and puffy. I like using them in the morning when I'm getting ready. I'll show you the lid. When you first open them up, this is what the lid looks like. It's got the little spatula inside. Just take this off and you can see the goodness inside. What I typically do, if it's a morning like right now, I've gotten out of the shower, letting my hair air dry, and I put these on while I'm kind of waiting to finish getting ready. So this is even a good time if you're sitting around scrolling on your phone, watching TV in the morning, just to put these on and let them do their work while you are doing something else, right? So I put them on for, I don't know, you could put them on anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. I usually can start to feel when the moisture has soaked into my skin and these are kind of starting to get dry. I just feel like they make my eyes look more refreshed, and I like to use them before I put makeup on. So especially, I feel like when my eyes are hydrated, my concealer goes on smoother and doesn't give me the creasing as much. So that's another reason why I like these. The gel texture feels super soothing, and a little tip, if you keep them in the refrigerator, it gives you like a cooling effect, which I think is amazing for puffiness. So these are designed to help with dark circles, fine lines, dryness, and I just feel like they are a great little boost when your skin needs it. Mine's under eyes need it every day. So overall, if you already love under eye patches or you're trying to get into a little simple self-care routine, these are definitely worth trying, especially if you're like me and you already like the products from this brand. I think this is a good find. You should give them a try.